Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Remesh in Blender. First, select your object in the 3D viewport. Then, navigate to the Modifiers tab in the Properties panel. Click Add Modifier and choose Remesh from the Generate column. This initial step prepares your model for a cleaner, more efficient topology, which is crucial for various 3D tasks. Blender's Remesh modifier offers 4 distinct modes to suit your needs. Blocks mode is perfect for initial blocking out, while Smooth refines those blocky shapes. Sharp mode is excellent for preserving hard surface details. For animation-ready topology, Quad mode is your best bet, creating a clean, all-quad mesh that deforms beautifully. Fine-tuning the Remesh settings is crucial for optimal results. Voxel size directly impacts the mesh density. A smaller value means more detail. Octree depth also plays a role in detail preservation. Remember to enable smooth shading for a polished look. The Remove Disconnected Pieces option is handy for automatically cleaning up any unwanted floating geometry. Once you're happy with your remeshed object, apply the modifier to make the changes permanent. After applying, you can jump into Sculpt mode to further refine the surface. Use brushes like Smooth to iron out any minor imperfections. For more advanced optimization or specific edge flow, consider using Blender's retopology tools to achieve a perfect, production-ready mesh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.